Your comfort starts with an HVAC system that's installed the right way. At Comfort Installation Air LLC, we provide professional HVAC installation services for homes and businesses, delivering reliable heating and cooling solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're replacing an outdated system or installing HVAC in a new property, our experienced technicians ensure every installation is completed with precision and care. We work with quality equipment designed to maximize comfort, improve energy efficiency, and provide dependable performance throughout every season. Enjoy year-round comfort with an HVAC system you can count on. Comfort Installation Air LLC, expert HVAC installation for reliable comfort, energy efficiency, and lasting performance.